hereby confirm Bola Oyèbánjí as the sole candidate of APC 2022. APC is a party of orderliness, a party that is well organized, and at the same time thank our president, our father, who made this successful. I want to say a very big thank you to our president.
I'm honored to stand before you this afternoon to accept this nomination as the candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC for the Osun State governorship election to be held on 8th August 2026. Also worthy of mention is the unrelenting commitment of my co-aspirants who have sacrificed their personal ambitions for the continued progress of our party. I appreciate the leaders and members of the AMBO movement. The task before us is a huge one, but honestly, it is achievable and it is doable.
AMBO, Aṣíwájú Bola Oyèbánjí, I know you are capable. I know you are going to do well. I thank all the delegates. I thank the National Working Committee that are here. The chairman, being represented by the National Secretary of our party, who is equally our son.
Adeleke, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, one of the aspirants on the platform of our party, hereby, with the consent of all other aspirants, move the motion that Aṣíwájú Bola Oyèbánjí be adopted by this great Congress of our party as the consensus candidate of the All Progressives Congress. I hereby second the motion as ably moved by Kunle Adeleke, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. Have we all agreed? Say yay!